Have you ever noticed how the prices of a stock rise or fall to a certain level and then just start going in the opposite direction? What if I tell you that you can anticipate whether the existing move is going to turn up or down before it has actually moved? Well, this is possible by learning about the systematic study in technical analysis called support and resistance. Two of the most important concepts of technical analysis are support and resistance. In simple words, they help you anticipate the turning points of an existing move. And that's exactly what we offer in the MTS Support and Resistance course, where you will learn how to identify support and resistance levels on a chart the price action way, right from the construction to its validation. You will also be learning about different types of support and resistance, like the Fibonacci studies, moving averages, trend lines, and trend channels.
We are excited to introduce a meticulously curated and detailed course using state-of-the-art technology that offers an in-depth understanding of technical analysis. Our course includes actual case studies and examples, which will help you understand and implement these techniques very effectively. We also provide you with your own dedicated student portal, where you will have access to not only the course content, but also ebooks for every topic, along with few other tools which will be great reference material to improve your understanding. We believe that a thorough understanding of the course is very critical for your success. That is why we have included quizzes after every topic to evaluate your understanding and to ensure that you're on the right track. We also offer query solving to ensure that all your doubts and questions are resolved promptly. Our expert team is always ready to assist you and provide you the necessary guidance throughout the course.
So this is your opportunity to learn how to anticipate future price moves, explore all the possible opportunities in the market and make the most out of them. Get started now and learn more about support and resistance with our course at My Trading School.